Do you feel like you're ready to make extra money but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Many people assume side hustles require prior experience, specialized degrees, or hours of extra work every week. The truth is, with the right approach and modern tools, anyone can start generating income online, even with zero experience. In this video, we're breaking down the top online side hustles that are beginner-friendly, actionable, and scalable. We'll show you not only what these opportunities are, but exactly how to get started step by step, so you can start earning this year while building skills and creating multiple streams of income. 1. Start a print-on-demand e-commerce store. One of the easiest ways to start a side hustle without prior experience is through print-on-demand e-commerce. The concept is simple. You create designs for products such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or tote bags, and a third-party provider prints and ships them directly to your customers. This eliminates the challenges of inventory management, shipping logistics, and upfront production costs, making it ideal for beginners. To get started, sign up with a platform like Shopify or Ecwid and integrate it with print-on-demand services like Printful or Printify. These platforms provide a seamless connection between your store and suppliers, allowing you to focus on design and marketing. You don't need advanced graphic design skills. Free tools like Canva or Adobe Express enable you to create professional-looking designs quickly. Once your store is live, attracting customers becomes the next focus. Social media marketing, targeted ads, and search engine optimization help reach your audience efficiently. Niche targeting is particularly effective. For instance, designing products for specific hobbies, professions, or fandoms increases the likelihood of sales. Experimenting with multiple designs allows you to test what resonates best with your audience. Over time, as sales data accumulates, you can refine your offerings, discontinue underperforming products, and scale successful ones. With consistent effort, your print-on-demand store can evolve from a beginner-friendly side hustle into a reliable source of passive income, generating revenue while you focus on other projects or even full-time work. The scalability and flexibility of this model make it a powerful first step for anyone entering e-commerce. 2. Sell used items on eBay or Poshmark. Another accessible online side hustle is selling pre-owned items on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, Mercury, or Depop. Many people have and use clothing, electronics, collectibles, or even household items lying around that can generate cash without any upfront investment. The process is straightforward. Take clear, high-quality photos, write detailed and honest descriptions, and list the items for sale. Research similar listings to price competitively and determine which items are most likely to sell quickly. Beginners can start small by listing things they already own, which helps them understand the platform, optimize listings, and learn about shipping logistics. Once you are comfortable, the side hustle can scale significantly. Many sellers source undervalued items from thrift stores, garage sales, estate sales, or clearance sections of retail stores. The goal is to buy low and sell at a higher price by leveraging your knowledge of the market and trends. For example, limited edition sneakers, collectible toys, or retro electronics often have higher resale value. Bundling related items, like sets of books, clothing outfits, or matching accessories, can also increase average order value and make sales more efficient. Consistency is key to building a reliable online resale business. Regularly uploading new listings, responding promptly to customer inquiries, and providing accurate shipping estimates improves your visibility on the platform's algorithms. Positive reviews reinforce your reputation, attracting repeat buyers and higher quality traffic. Over time, you can specialize in a niche market, such as vintage fashion, tech gadgets, or home decor, positioning yourself as a trusted seller in that category. By systematically expanding your inventory, optimizing listings, and learning what sells best, this side hustle can grow from a casual decluttering activity into a substantial source of income with minimal risk and flexible hours, making it ideal for beginners looking to start earning online. 3. Launch your own e-commerce store. Starting your own e-commerce store allows for full control over product selection, branding, and marketing. Unlike print-on-demand, you can choose to sell digital products, dropshipping items, or physical goods you create. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Ecwid make store setup straightforward, even for beginners. Start by identifying a niche with demand but low competition, such as eco-friendly products, fitness accessories, or specialty home decor. Your main focus should be marketing, leveraging social media, email campaigns, and influencer partnerships to drive traffic. Once the store gains traction, profits can become substantial without requiring physical retail space or employees. The beauty of this approach is scalability. You can automate order processing, use fulfillment services, and gradually expand your product catalog. For beginners, the most important step is starting small, learning the basics of digital marketing, and iterating your store offerings based on customer feedback. 4. Sell an online course. If you have expertise in any area, professional skills, hobbies, or practical knowledge, you can create an online course. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare allow you to upload video lessons, PDFs, and other materials to sell to a global audience. Even beginners can start by recording simple video lessons on a smartphone and using screen recording for tutorials. Courses on popular topics such as Excel skills, digital marketing, cooking, fitness, or personal finance attract learners consistently. The advantage of online courses is their scalability. Once created, they can generate passive income indefinitely, with occasional updates or marketing to maintain visibility. Marketing is crucial. Use social media, blogs, or email campaigns to reach potential students. Over time, building a portfolio of multiple courses can create a steady, high-margin revenue stream. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products online. You don't need to create your own product or handle customer service. You simply share referral links on blogs, YouTube, social media, or email newsletters. Each sale made through your link generates a commission, sometimes ranging from 5% to over 50%, depending on the program. Beginners can start by joining popular affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or niche-specific offers relevant to your audience. The key to success is building trust and providing genuine value. Reviews, tutorials, or comparisons that help people make informed decisions. Over time, affiliate marketing can scale with website traffic, social media reach, and email list growth, creating a sustainable, low-overhead income stream. 6. AI-assisted local business optimization. Modern tools allow beginners to help local businesses improve efficiency without technical expertise. Many small service businesses, plumbers, dentists, roofers, have outdated websites and minimal automation. Using free no-code AI tools like Zapier, Make, or custom GPTs, you can offer solutions such as automated missed call text responses or review generation funnels. You don't need a code. Drag and drop templates do the heavy lifting. Pitch these systems to local businesses for a setup fee plus a recurring maintenance retainer. The beauty of this side hustle is minimal startup experience is required, the demand is high, and the recurring revenue builds a predictable income stream. Over time, your portfolio of local business clients can scale without increasing personal hours proportionally. 7. Microclip video curation and distribution. Content creators often have hours of long-form content, but lack time to convert into engaging short videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Using free AI video editing tools like Opus Clip or Munch, you can automatically extract 60-second highlights, generate captions, and reformat videos for mobile screens. Sell these curated clips to content creators on a per-batch basis. This side hustle requires no prior video editing experience and can scale easily. A single podcast episode can yield 10 to 20 clips, each packaged for sale. The key is efficiency, consistent delivery, and identifying creators who value your service. 8. Hyper-niche digital product bundling. Another beginner-friendly online hustle is creating and selling hyper-niche digital products. Professionals across various industries pay for ready-to-use templates, dashboards, or checklists. For example, a real estate agent may want an onboarding checklist, or a gym owner may need a workout planner. Using free design tools like Canva or spreadsheets, you can format and bundle these resources into polished products. Sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, which handle distribution and payment. The upfront effort is minimal, and once listed, the products generate passive income. Over time, expanding into multiple niches creates a portfolio of digital assets that scale without ongoing labor. So, there you have it. 8 best online side hustles you can start with no prior experience. From print on demand and resale to digital services and AI-powered solutions, These opportunities allow anyone to start earning this year. By taking consistent action, automating processes, and delivering value, you can create multiple streams of income that grow over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable side hustle strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.